inside. I'm Lincoln and this is Dan, and today we're gonna cut up with some Orbeez.
Orbeez, you ever heard of these things? Tiny little balls that are squishy. We bought this giant pool because I didn't want to put it in our hot tub pool. We got thousands of them. Woo! We really want to cut them open and see what's inside of them and just kind of play with them a little bit. So it's kind of like a science experiment. But first, we strategically placed the pool right next to the trampoline. And
so we could jump in it and have some fun. The number one thing to not do is no jumping in.
Make sure you jump super high and then get a good bounce in there so that you actually make it into the pool.
I just touched the water and it was freezing.
Yeah, it might be a little chilly.
Test one.
Yeah!
Backflip! It's cold!
Look at the side of this. It's almost like when I wear spandex shirts. It's like a big blob. All right, let's get all these Orbeez out of here. Time lapse commence right now. How's it going, Lincoln?
Almost there. The last 2 bags.
That bowl is perfect size for all these. They're about to get a lot bigger. We're gonna put them in the pool for a couple of days. There they go. Orbeez are in, thousands of them. It doesn't look like much right now. It's not going to fill up the entire pool, I don't think, but it's still fun, and they're going to get big. Pick up some of the Orbeez. This is about 4 hours after. Yeah, don't smash them.
Whoa!
Look at them! This is something interesting about it. It said on the package, after a few hours, they look like brains. It feels just like brains, like cat brains. Full disclosure, I do not know what cat brains feel like. It's been 3 days. We are outside. We're ready to go check out these Orbeez to see how big they are. We got thousands of them. But where do these things come from? Why do we even have this thing called Orbeez? The first time they were commercially used was in the 70s, and they started using them in diapers. And they would take the little tiny things and put them in diapers, and then that way, when the kids peed in it, would make them expand, and so rather than all the liquid spilling out, those little tiny polymer balls would just get bigger and bigger. Kind of funny that that's where it started.
Yeah.
Farms can use these. You can put them in your garden. What's your favorite sport?
Golf.
Putting greens. How do they stay so green in the heat of the summer days? Well, when they water it, a lot of times they will put polymers underneath the putting green, not too far underneath it, and so that way when they water it, these things will expand, but then once it gets really, really hot on the greens, they'll contract and the water will go out and the moisture will go out and it will make the greens green.
I thought that they would just water it all the time so it's watered good enough.
These Orbeez actually help your golf game have better greens. Okay, here we go. Lincoln, check it out. How's it look?
Good.
Yes. Ah! Does it look good?
It's slimy in here.
It's slimy.
On the bottom, it's so slimy.
We either bought too few Orbeez or too big of a pool for this project. I think it's a little bit of both. Lincoln, can you pick up a handful of these things? Let's see how big they are. Got 3 of them. Let's check them out. Oh, that's a good size. See how squishy they are?
Do you think you could break it with your fingernail?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
whoa! That was too easy. It helps that you haven't cut your fingernails in like 3 months. Ah! Ew. It's kind of like Jell-O. Grab some more. And there it is. It's just like a Jell-O ball all the way through. So sorry guys that our project did not have a giant pool with tons of them in there. We bought thousands of them. Now that we are okay with getting in there, you've seen these guys. Oh, once they're left out of the pool for a while, they will just go back and be small again. So it's getting late here. The sun's about to go down. Look at that beautiful sunset. Gorgeous sunset. This has been a fun project. It's fun watching everybody jump in, but these guys have made a really good point. Over the last 3 days, I've jumped in it this many times. These clothes will work just fine, right? It's scary when you're here. Okay, I can't see. I need my glasses off. Ah! That water tastes nasty. Ah! Ah! I'm going in my mouth. They're so slippery! It's just Orbeez mush. What the? Water got wrecked! Oh no!
Oh, they're all shooting out! They'll get spiked out!
Look at the lawn! It took 3 days to fill up and about 20 seconds to get all the water out.
Yeah!
That was awesome.
It was!
The whole pool's gotta be, the whole trampoline's gotta be full. Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know what else you want us to cut open. I'm hitting the water! That hurts, it's painful. There's waters all the way up. That's what's inside of Orbeez. Not really, but that's what Orbeez are all about, and that's how you have fun with Orbeez. So, next summer, go get yourselves a giant pool, an in-ground trampoline, and some Orbeez. And stay in your day clothes and you can jump in and have an Orbeez party.
One.